Good morning, YouTubes. 6 AM, Monday morning, day after the 3-day show at Motorama, Toronto. What a phenomenal show. Both inspired and inspiring. I spoke to hundreds of people. It was just so good, so good. A lot of people came from all over Southern Ontario to see all the fantastic cars, including Bugsy, who made it home yesterday in the snow, flawlessly, along the highway. I'm going to show some footage of that in a later video. But the reason I'm up at this ungodly hour is the show season is going to be starting very soon, and I've got a lot of work to do, both on Bugsy and this monstrosity. Hopefully we'll be getting that fired up soon. Now, I didn't do a huge amount of video of the show, but I did at least cover the Motorama Mayhem section that we were in, the Rebels Car Club. The Rebels Car Club also got a lot of attention, and that's going to be just growing hugely this year. It's going to be a great year for the club and a great year for my channel. Hopefully, at least get some progress done in all my nonsense. So, watch this little video and I'll see you later in the week with some progress on either the Low Cost Project or Bugsy. I've got some more big plans for Bugsy. Oh, funny story. I met this random guy and he said, "Hey Dave, how you doing?" And I was like, "I'm sorry, I don't know who you are." He was only the guy that sold me the car. This guy. This is Andy. Great guy. Anyway, he wasn't too offended. He'd actually met me 3 times since he sold me the car and I hadn't recognised him on any occasion. I do apologise, Andy. Anyway, that's him. Okay, enough waffle. I need to get to work and you can sit back with a coffee and watch this. It was a great show. As I say, this is just a tiny section of it.